it has been about 5 weeks since I have ordered my Polaris SlingShot SLE, and since then I have been waiting. The status is showing as built, but is not yet in transit to my dealership. Since then I have ordered some Polaris SlingShot modifications, some accessories for my SlingShot. So I'm going to go through a quick review as to what they are, why I ordered them. One of the first accessories I ordered for my SlingShot through slingmods.com was the sequential turn signal lights. Here they are sitting here waiting to be installed. I ordered these because I thought the view was good when you turn those turn signals on, have that light flickering. Plus those corner lights just really don't let anyone know you're trying to turn. So when I ordered these lights, there was an option there for the plug and play accessory. So I ordered the plug and play accessory. According to the video, it should be an easy plug-in adaptation, make the install a lot easier for myself. So I went ahead and did that because anything that makes my day easier is nice. With the sequential lights though, it did come with this plug, and it looks like it already plugs into the upper sequential lights. So I think when I decide to upgrade that one as well, I'll have easy installation with that too. Another accessory I ordered through slingmods.com was the aluminum gas cap, anodized in red, as you can see here. I thought this was a nice little accessory. I am thinking of doing a little dip coat on the inside or a vinyl wrap, something just to kind of get it to pop out a little bit more, just to see what it looks like, because as you can see here, there are some machining marks inside that I think would look a little bit better. I hope that's getting on camera, but it's just something I think would make this pop out and stand out a little bit more. If anything, I may have to go in there with some enamel paint. I'll let you know how that works out as well too. So one of the last accessories I did order for the SlingShot was a license plate relocation kit. This one should relocate it just above the belt housing, in the, I believe, horizontal position. As most of you know, the SlingShot license plate just is in an awkward position, just kind of hanging out there up high right above the wheel. It just looks a little funky, and some of the other replacements for it just didn't make any sense to me. From what I can tell, it's a nice clean installation. The relocation makes the back end of that SlingShot look a little smoother, a little cleaner. So that's why I chose this one. It also came with the wiring, along with some infamous zip ties, as us who work on cars are attuned to using, and it looks like some wire loom tie downs as well, so that can not rattle around, hang out and everywhere. I also got the Toughskin's personalized glove box badge, which has the nickname of my SlingShot, which I will reveal to you once that comes in, so everybody will know then what the nickname of my SlingShot will be. Stay tuned for that. And of course, with any other good installation, they send you the stickers to go with it to promote their website. So not a big sticker fan anymore. When I was younger I was, but let's see if I promote Sling Mods on my SlingShot when it arrives. And I can't forget, I did get my other accessory, my SlingShot coaster. Pretty much their way of saying, sorry it's taking so long for your build, but here's a coaster. So once the SlingShot gets here, I'll go over all the accessories that I ordered. Just a quick overview. I know I got the sling shade, I got the front wing guards, I also got the rear fender. It was supposed to be for a 305 tire. The SLE comes with the 255 tires. I really wanted that rear fender, especially because I will be driving this on a daily, and I am going to come across rain. I do have rain gear for myself, but I also wanted it for the SlingShot not to be slinging that water all over the place. I know I also did get the upgraded Brembo brakes. I know a few people have said they can't tell the difference between the Brembo and the stock, but I also see a lot of SlingShots that have front end damage. So I decided just to go ahead and upgrade the front brakes. That's all I can remember off the top of my head, but we'll go over all of that once the SlingShot finally gets delivered and is in my hands. So stay tuned, subscribe. Give me a like if you think I'm doing a decent job. See you on the next video.